This is our project about lightning. Lightning happens when two clouds bump into each other and generate a bolt of lightning.
Heat lightning. Lightning caused by heat. Bolts. Lightning can be 20,000 bolts of electricity. Lightning ball. A ball of electricity that floats in the air. Electricity. What lightning is made out of. Energy. Lightning generates energy to strike.
What problems does this cause? Lightning can cause electricity to go out. Lightning can cause fires. Lightning can cause death. Wow.
We have an idea. Oh yeah, we do.
Rubber thread enclosed. A rubber safe house. Everything is rubber. Kitchen, TV, and bed. This is the regular house. Then there's a tunnel that's rubber going to the rubber safe house. Lightning doesn't generate up close. The red rubber magnifying glass. This is us. This is me, Annie, and I'm awesome.
This is me, Dylan, and I'm awesome.
This is me, Mitchell, and I am awesome.
This is me, Michael, and I'm awesome.
This is our group.